got down on one knee, 11, 12, 11, and her tears welled up, and her heart jumped to heaven. It was supposed to rain, but there's clear skies today. She was a rare gem, Romanian descent. He was a good man, gave her every compliment she deserved. Yeah, he treated her like a queen. He said, come with me, my darling beauty. Let's spend our lives together, and I love you always through every doorway.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So, welcome to another studio vlog. Today is Saturday and it's almost the middle of the day. I did work pretty much all morning. This weekend I wanted to catch up on Patreon stuff. I feel I have been neglecting my Patreon a bit and it's not fair to my patrons. But I did manage to pack up all the Patreon rewards. You will see my process of doing that in this video. And I also managed to do an illustration for the monthly desktop wallpaper. But I wanted to talk a bit to you guys about Patreon. I've had Patreon for over 2 years now, and it's been up and down a road. Basically, I started Patreon when I was at the beginning of my YouTube channel, and I didn't really have any expectations for anybody joining. So when the first Patreon joined, I was really excited. And then another one joined, and then I think I got like 3 patrons, and then it kind of all stopped. And I made changes throughout the years to my tiers, but I included at one point a pet portrait benefit, which meant that I would do an original pet portrait and send it to you for just $15 a month. So that caused a bit of controversy on my YouTube channel, and people were not happy that I was giving them away for such low fees. And even though it is a subscription-based kind of service, yeah, I didn't feel it was the right price, so I removed that pet portrait benefit. And basically, while I had the pet portrait benefit, I gained a lot of new patrons because it was a really good deal. And when I removed it, I felt that some left because of that, and it's been really slow growing. However, I do have a lot of patrons that have been there for pretty much my whole period on Patreon, and I just want to say how thankful I am to them. But if you're thinking of opening up a Patreon, do keep in mind that the work you put into it has to be worth it, you know. I feel like I spend a lot of time creating rewards like gifts for my patrons, and seeing it slow down is kind of disheartening. And I've been thinking about reintroducing the pet portrait option only in digital form. So basically you would get a digital illustration of your pets. Yeah, you could print it out, so it would be in high resolution. But I'm still considering it, and I'm not sure if I will do it. Right now on Patreon, I wanted to tell you guys how many tiers I have going on and what you can receive at them, because I feel like Patreon is pretty much either you know what it's about or you haven't heard of it at all and you're not interested. But I feel it's I feel I haven't shared my benefits or tiers in a long time, so I will do that right now. So currently on my Patreon I have 3 tiers going on. The first one is a $1 tier. So when you join in the first month, you will get a sticker sheet and a thank you card in the mail. So this is only in the first month. You will also get behind the scenes posts on a weekly basis with photos of what I'm working on. participation to polls, first look at pretty much all my Instagram and YouTube videos, and a monthly desktop and phone wallpaper. And sometimes I post live updates. But yeah, this is the $1 tier. I feel it's pretty low for what you get, but I wouldn't want to change it to $2 because I just feel it's not fair to my current patrons. The next tier is my junior cat tier, which is $5 per month. So basically for $5 a month you get everything in the previous tier, so wallpaper, behind the scenes, and you also get a signed art print along with the sticker sheet and the illustrated thank you note in the mail. You get a 10% discount code in my shop, and sometimes I post process videos made in Procreate or exclusive videos, but that's a pretty rare thing because I don't really have time to edit that much. And the last tier, which is the adult cat tier, this was previously my pet portrait tier, but I've changed it up. So here you get everything from the 2 previous tiers, and you can receive a monthly goodie bag including 1 to 2 illustrated products. So this varies from sticker sheets to prints to pins. I've had magnets, I've had zipped pouches, I have tote bags, so it depends on what I'm working on and what I can achieve that month. And I'm thinking of adding to this one, or maybe making a 4th tier with the pet portrait option and everything from the previous tiers. So this is what you can get on my Patreon. This month I wanted to show you guys what my current patrons will be getting. So you will see me package up everything, but basically I did this temporary tattoo sheet, which I'm really proud of. I was sick of doing stickers, so I wanted to do something else, and these you can just cut the shape off and take the clear top sheet off and apply it with a bit of water. So it's basically like those gum tattoos, but I think it's really cute, and I think the colors turned out really nice. This is also something you can get in my shop. If you buy for over 20 euros, this will go in your order for free. So besides that, I wanted to include a Women's Day kind of theme postcard, and this has a tiny detail here with the white and red string. If you're from Romania, you probably know what this means. It's a mărțișor. It's a Romanian tradition, so it's a symbol of good luck and prosperity and stuff like that with the beginning of spring. And I also included some original Inktober pieces for my long-term patrons because I wanted to say thank you to them in the way I know how. And yeah, I included some original paintings. So yeah, having a Patreon is a lot of time, but I really enjoy it. I feel like I get to have this connection with people I don't know, and I get to find my people out there. So I don't know if this makes sense, but I even met a patron who has been a long time follower and a very supportive person, and we became friends through this platform and through Instagram. So this is what I'm looking for with my Patreon. It's definitely not about the money for me. I don't make a lot of money from it. It's more about the process of making products, giving them to you guys, sharing my illustrations, having good feedback and stuff like that. So I put a lot of heart in my Patreon. I hope this shows. And yeah, I wanted to explain to you guys because I feel like I have been packing up Patreon rewards in each studio vlog, and some of you probably don't even know what I'm doing. So yeah, this is a breakdown of my Patreon. So I hope you will enjoy this studio vlog. Check out my Patreon if you are interested. I will let you know if I add the pet portrait option as well. And yeah, just keep watching to see how I package everything up and how I did the illustration on my iPad for the monthly wallpaper, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
You're always mine.